What's up guys, Bodie here from BodieDavison.com. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram in 2021. This is something that I was searching for, and now that I've figured it out I thought I would show you guys how to do it as well. So I was looking through my settings here everywhere. If you go to these top three bars in the right, I was going through settings here everywhere trying to find this, and it was driving me a little bit crazy, and I'm sure you guys are looking for the same thing. That's why you're searching how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So the quick answer here is you won't actually find how to enable dark mode on Instagram in these settings. It is more what's going on with your phone, so your phone transfers over to Instagram. So I'll show you guys how you do actually enable dark mode. If we were to just swipe up on my phone's a bit older though, it's an iPhone, you might have to swipe down from the top, but if we swipe up, and then we have our brightness setting here that everyone knows about. If you press and hold on that, it'll actually come up here and it's to your bottom left there, dark mode. And if we click on that, dark mode on, and then go back to Instagram, then you can see that it's on there now. So this is my dogs page here that I've been building up. But if we go back to the popular page, you can see what it looks like here. So it is quite, I think it looks a lot better, and that's probably why you guys are searching it as well. I like it. And also, if it's late at night or anything like that, that dark mode is definitely better for the brightness in your face. And yeah, I just think it looks way better. So just generally the profile to me looks a lot better, and when you click on photos and all the comment sections, everything like that looks a lot better to me. There is another way that you can enable dark mode or switch back to light mode, and if you just go out of Instagram and go into settings, and we just go down here and go to display and brightness, there is actually just this here. So you can just click it back to light mode in that way, or click it to dark mode in that way. So it's as easy as that, guys. It's not very hard. It's quite cool though. I think dark mode looks way better, so I personally am going to use dark mode. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give the video a like for me. Please comment below that it helped you out. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't before. Thanks so much for watching.